Study room. Right.
So this is one of the rooms that we have. The 10th floor, the 12th floor, they all have a common room like this, and this is usually. So sorry, it's just a quick
Okay.
story.
It's okay.
Here, the washroom. Oh, sorry. This one is big. Bedroom. Okay.
一个人最好挺大的。
这个是 kitchen。
And then this is just like a random closet.
Yeah, it's okay.
一个人住还可以。
有个窗，拉开。Good enough. The bed is so big. Your closet, the closet is big. And also there is a mirror.
你在那里名算。
Anything else? Anything you can explain outside that you haven't?
Is everyone done looking through anything that you've seen? Any other question?
There's no workshops in the room. What's the workshops?
You usually. So similar to the same system as if you were to rent the remotes for the TV. And on the app, you can also know what how many laundry machines are available and how many dryers are available, so that even if you're in your room and you want to do your laundry, but you're too lazy to walk all the way downstairs to figure out is any machines available, you can just use your paper mail. Maybe you have a letter from